Hi everyone, today I want to share with you how to download uncompressed video file from iCloud website. First, go to iCloud website. Log into your iCloud with your Apple ID. Now click on the photo icon. Select the video file you want to download. Go to the upper right corner. Move your mouse to the cloud icon which beside the dustbin. If you click it now, you will get a compressed video file. Okay, let's see what I mean here. See, actually this video this download video I'm record in 1920 1080 HD. But after I download, you see the dimension is 1280 and 720 only. So it means the video is compressed. So now, how can we download it without compress the file? Let's do it again. Go to the cloud icon again. Don't click it. Look carefully. There is a small arrow icon below the cloud icon. Then click it. You will see a pop-up menu with two options. The number one is unmodified original, and the second one is most compatible. And the unmodified original is selected by default. So now you click download again. Do you see the video is come with MOV this time, with the extension MOV? So let's see what we get. You will get uncompressed video file now. Okay, it's done. We check the first one first. As you can see, it is 1280 times 720, right? So now we open the second one. As you can see, the file now is HD, is 1920 times 1080, right? And the frame rate also different. The frame rate is 60, is what I the original frame rate lah. Okay, if you found this is helpful, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell. Thank you for watching.